Hello there. Today I am going to be drawing the names of the seed winners. And before I start that, I would just like to say Happy New Year and to thank everyone who follows me and supports me. I know this has been a really tough year for everyone. And I think having this channel and having all of you commenting and liking and giving me suggestions and helping me through my garden process has helped me quite a bit. So anyway, without further ado, let's draw some names. First one. Oh, Debbie White Moody. Congratulations. Second one. X Stacy 2. Third one. Mary Campbell. And last but not least, the enthusiastic gardener. So what I would like you to do is please email me within the next 24 hours at linda@lindasuestewart.com. linda@lindasuestewart.com, and I will put that up at the top so that you can see my email address. Just email me your address, how it's written, how you would write a letter, and send an email to me, and I will get those seeds out to you. So thank you so much again. Congratulations, and have a great week.